Hey everybody, I'm Raksha, and in this video, I'll be talking about how to integrate Business Central data in Power BI using Dynamic 365 Business Central Usage Analytics app. So let's get started. All you need to do is take care of the prerequisites that I have here on my screen. First is Business Central admin account. In order to work around this, there are different types of Business Central account. You have to make sure that your Business Central account has all the admin rights. Okay. Then second is you need to have a Power BI Pro account. Then third is you need to have an application insight ID. And fourth, you need to have one connection string. So the application insight ID and the connection string, you will get it from this application insight service. All you need to do is you have to just log into Azure portal, create one service which is called as application insight service. And then once you deploy it, you will be able to have this connection string as well as application insight ID. I'll help you how do we achieve this. So let's get started. So this is the application implementation thing. So if you can see on my screen here, I am in Microsoft Azure service and I have this application insight service. So under this overview section, I have this connection string. Okay, this instrumentation key equal to some alphanumeric code or something. So this is your connection string. You have to keep this in copy. Then second thing is the application insight ID. So where will you get it in? When you click on this API access section, under there you will find the application insight ID. Okay, so this is one. You need to have these two things in your copy. Now, second, what we have to do is we have to enable the application insight and use this connection string in the Business Central admin account. So, what do we do this? For how do we do this? You basically have to first log into your Business Central admin account, and when you click on this admin portal, you will see the environment option there. So when you go to environments, you will see that there are n number of environments whichever you have deployed. Accordingly, you just have to click on one environment whichever you feel that for that particular environment you want to see the analytic. So in my environments, I have got this trial sandbox some environment, and then when I click on it, I will see that there is some application insight which is not set or not defined. So I'll click on this particular option. I will see one window which is something like this, and then I have to enable the application insight for that particular environment. And then it will ask me for the connection string. So I will just copy the connection string which I have kept in my copy, and then I'll hit save. So this is step two. Then we are moving to step three, which is Power BI thing. So I have to firstly sign in. With my Power BI Pro account, and then what I have to do is I have to click on the applications. Like you have this option Get Apps, and then click on it, and then just search for the Dynamic 365 Business Central Usage app analytics. Okay, so you will see some this kind of app. Just click on Get It Now and install it. Okay, so you will have your own workspace of this particular application. Once you have installed successfully, you will see that it is deployed and it is now ready to use. And when you click on it, like try to open it or explore it, by default, it will show you the analytics of these many, with all these many reports, which you see it right here: sessions, clients, location, application areas, and everything, etc. So at the top, you must notice that it will show that you are viewing this app with the sample data. Okay, so this is the analytics which is shown to you by default. What you have to do here is you have to connect your data. By this we mean that we are trying to bring the environment which we have talked about in the Business Central over there, that trial sandbox thing. We have to get the analytics of that particular environment in here. So I have to click on this connect your data. Then once I have this, I will have these two windows in front of me. So in this particular window, what you have to do is you just have to make sure that you copy the application insight ID which you have generated from Azure portal, from that particular service over there. And then you can choose any lookback period whichever you want to choose, like 270, 360, or whatever. Once it is done, click on next, and then it will ask you for the sign in. So you can click on authentication method as auth 2, and keep your privacy settings to organization. Just hit on sign in and connect. And then what you will do is you will just simply refresh the file, and then once the refresh is done, you will see that the environment which is over there, the Business Central thing, it is right here in Power BI. So I hope here we accomplish this objective and you really understood the process. You can also find this blog add in analytics resources under there and inside the blogs. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.